हाय आरती।
Hi.
तो आज आप हमें क्या सिखा रहे हैं बाबा?
Squash sticky balls.
वाओ,
It's so sticky, not messy. You stick them to the wall. You can squish them, stretch them like this. What? And you can smush them, and you get the ball. So jiggly that you can do this, and they're so awesome if you do that. Look, they can stick. This is a ball. You can stick them like this. I think you just they don't. If you throw them, they fall. They will do something.
okay, and
If you do this, you get to see all that stuff. The jiggly. You get to do that. And you get that. You can do this. You can also do this, look. Your finger, and then it will show your finger.
wow,
Like your finger's inside it.
okay, wow. Oh wow.
And you can also throw it up on the wall. But it would stick.
Oh, that's okay.
Like stick.
And
You can it's so jiggly, and it's like a stress toy, so you keep squishing it. And yeah,
it's a stress
toy. And yeah, it's just you can squash it, you can stretch it, and other things.
Oh wow.
It's so jiggly like that.
Wow.
And then once it sticks, you just get a chair, and you might need a grown-up's help, but yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us again
Yeah,
what the ball do?
it just can stick if you do that. It sticks to the roof.
Wow. Wow.
You can even, if you're up here, you can, while you're at it, you can stick it anywhere, like right
Okay.
over anywhere.
Nice. And और क्या करती है ball?
Um,
What other things do?
This.
Okay.
And then it makes it even more shiny.
Oh wow, more shiny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please like and subscribe our
channel.
So thank you so much
Make sure
for
watching.
watching.
Make the red subscribe button and press it. And then
Thank you
it'll
so
be
much.
great.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.